Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this new video, an update on Cardano and the ADA coin. We'll do a full update, we'll take a look at the technicals, I'll give you some of my thoughts on some potential trades that are available for Cardano. And just in general, I'll try to prepare you as well as possible for everything that's about to come, because right now, to be completely honest with you, I'm kind of stuck with Cardano, because if you take a look at it in a certain way, what you'll see is that we have been making higher lows ever since the crash that happened the 10th of June with the SEC suing Coinbase and stuff. Like, we have been making higher lows right here. And apart from that, it's some sort of a triangle, which is quite bullish. It's some sort of an ascending triangle. But apart from that, if you actually take a look at some other indicators, like the EMAs, which are practically flat, which would indicate a consolidation, and the ADX, which is below 20 as well, which would indicate no trend. Right now, the whole structure to me is kind of unclear whether we are consolidating or trending up. So that's also what I wanted to talk about in this video, and I'll try to give you as much of a thorough overview and what to expect from Cardano. But that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But now onto Cardano. So if we take a look at network statistics, first of all, total value locked, great. It's actually growing again. We're at 165 million. That's not that close to 183, which was our top this year. And has actually been a top for, like, if we take a look at the entire year, it has been a top, and probably even longer. But overall, the network Cardano is actually doing fairly well, and I've been on that for a couple of months now. It's actually been growing quite well. And Cardano, like the ADA coin itself, is relatively strong as well, I would say. I mean, if we did not have those bearish moves with the SEC, I think we could have actually been pretty strong now that Bitcoin is pretty strong as well. But right now, like I said, it's the big question whether we are consolidating or whether we are still trending up. And the biggest test that we'll get is actually pretty close, because what will happen right now is that we found resistance at our major resistance level around 30 cents. We're not going to touch that soon again, I think. I think we'll actually see some bearish momentum from Bitcoin. And I think that will translate to bearish momentum for Cardano as well. So what we'll see is a touch at this level. This amazing support level around 27.8 and 27.5 cents. So that's the main level. I think we'll break down. I think we'll drop down there. If we can actually hold that for the next, let's say, 2 days, then I think we are actually still bullish. And even though we might spike down all the way to the support level around 26.5 cents, I still think that then we are bullish, and that we'll move up to 30 cents. Find resistance there, but at some point of time break above that and get towards our next price target around 32 and 33 cents. I think at this point of time, given the entire market situation, market structure, like if we take a look at Bitcoin and just in general all of the fundamentals, I think this is the most likely scenario. Now, the only problem would arise, and the only way in which I could be wrong, is if we drop down to 27.5 cents, and that will then drop down to 26.5 cents, and that will stay at that level. See, because if we stay at that level, then I still think we could get up to 30 cents, but then you have practically confirmed a consolidation, because you have not held this bullish trend line. You have basically, like, then we have a very solid case for a range in this area. The EMAs will probably have fallen flat, have probably fallen flatter even more. And from that level, it's also just going to be tough to break through all of those resistance levels again, and then to break above 30 cents. While if you actually stay on top of 27.5 cents and 28 cents right here, you don't have to break above that anymore. So that's kind of the main thing I'm waiting for. How we react to that 27.8, 27.5 cents area. I think we can actually hold that mainly, perhaps with a little bit of a liquidity grab, with a little bit of a spike down. But that's the main thing to look out for. So that's my take on Cardano for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great day and bye.